Hey everyone, and welcome back to Twoguysfinance. If you're creating content to build your brand or grow your business, you need a powerful video tool. But which one? Today we're breaking down two heavy hitters, PHANT AI Video Maker and ECAMM AI. Let's see which one helps you create profit-pulling content faster. First up, the AI powerhouse. Think of PHANT AI as your creative genie. You type in a text prompt and it generates completely new videos from scratch. It's perfect for explainer videos, social media ads, and concept visuals. Its strength is pure, unbridled creation. While, let's look at the other one. You see, Ecamm AI is for live stream. It's a live stream legend. It is a powerful powerhouse for live streamers and podcasters. Its AI supercharges your real footage. We're talking about automatic multi-camera editing, real-time guest framing, and turning your live stream into polished clips in minutes. Its strength is professional production and amplification. So, you may be asking which one is for you. Well, choose PHANT AI if your business needs to create brand new video concepts from a simple idea. It is your go-to for animated marketing and ad creation. While you can choose ECAMM AI if you build authority through live video, webinars, and podcasts, and you need to propose that content like a pro. It's the ultimate live content engine. Both are incredible tools that save you time and money. PHANT AI brings your ideas to life, while ECAMM makes your live presence unforgettable. Now, in summary, before I close, do not forget that the primary strength for PHANT AI video is AI video creation, and while that of ECAMM is live video production, or should I say live video? Live video production. While when it comes to their core uses, like I said, PHANT AI is for generating new videos from test prompts for ads, social media, and explainers, while ECAMM AI is for supercharging your live streams, podcasts, and repurposing them into clips. When it comes to AI magic, PHANT AI has text to video that creates visual screens and scenes actually and animations from scratch. While ECAMM AI, the AI magic it has is that it has a live AI for auto framing, multicam editing, soundboarding, and clip creation. So let's look at, okay, I'm not sure of my summary. Now, I've mentioned who they are best for, and the vibe they give you is that PHANT AI's vibe is that of your creative idea factory, while ECAMM AI is your professional podcast studio. So that's it. So the bottom line is your content strategy chooses your tool. Your content strategy chooses the tool you can use. Let us know in the comments which one fits your business best. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like